Hello, all. A very good evening to all. In the last lecture, we have just given the introduction of functional group, and we had completed about isomers, right? Now, now let us start in details about the functional group. Before that, I would explain you once again what are functional groups so that you understand them better. Okay, so I'll unmute all of you and in front of you so that you could ask me questions in between, but see to it that the background noise is a bit less. So I'm sharing a screen with you all. So we are discussing about functional groups. Functional groups. So what are functional groups? Functional groups can be defined as an atom or a group of atom present in a compound which determines the characteristic property of that compound. An atom or a group of atom present in the compound which determines the characteristic property of that compound is called as the functional group. Okay, now what is the meaning of this? It means in the last lecture I had shown you one diagram. Okay, let me show you the diagram again. Suppose I draw over here methane. Molecular formula of methane is CH4, H, 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 and H. Methane is reacting with chlorine, Cl dash Cl. Now, in this, what is happening is one molecule of Cl displaces one one atom of Cl displace one atom of hydrogen. All right. So, what will be the product over here? C H H H dash. Here it will be Cl plus what is left is this H and one Cl. Cl and H. Alright. So here also we have hydrogen H, H and H. Now, my question is this methane different from this? Is it same or is it different? Tell me fast. All of you.
Different.
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 Please be a bit louder. Different. Now, why they are different? Why they are different? Because of this chlorine. Because of this chlorine, this compound is different, right? Now, this chlorine, it is called as the functional group, or it is called as the heteroatom. Heteroatom. Hetero means different. Now, this heteroatom, it can be single or it can be in a group. So likewise, we have different functional groups. So what are the examples of different functional groups? So let us see the examples of different functional groups. It is Cl or it is Br or it is I. These functional groups are called as halogens. Halogens we have studied. They belong to group 17, right? Then the functional groups can be like alcohol, alcohol. If alcohol is the functional group, then one hydrogen is replaced by an group which is OH. म्हणजे एक हायड्रोजन जाणार आणि एक OH ऍड होणार हायड्रोजनच्या जागी. That is alcohol functional group. Second functional group is aldehyde. So instead of one hydrogen is going like this Cl, and what is added is CHO. This is another functional group which is aldehyde. Like this, we have different types of functional groups which we are going to study one by one. Is this concept getting clear to all of you? Let me know.
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Yes.
One
Yes,
hydrogen is going, and instead of one hydrogen, there is entry of one functional group. तो फंक्शनल ग्रुप कुठलाही असेल, हॅलोजन असेल, अल्कोहॉल असेल, अल्डिहाइड असेल, ऍसिड असेल, कीटोन असेल, एनिथिंग. इट कुड बी एनिथिंग. Okay, so that is the idea of what is a functional group. Now we will see what are the names of these functional groups. What is the name called, so name of the structure called when one hydrogen is lost from the alkene. Am I clear up till here? Others also please reply.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, miss.
yes, miss. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
Okay, fine. So let me erase this part and then I'll explain you the next one.
मिस अल्कोहॉल आणि अल्डेहाइड ते फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स होते का?
हो हो, ते आपल्याला एक एक करायचं आता गार्गी. आपण एक एक करणार आहे ते आता. तुम्ही फक्त बेसिक आयडिया समजून घ्या फंक्शन ग्रुपची, बाकीचं हळूहळू रिव्हील होईल. हा, आता आपण हे बघूया की एक हायड्रोजन काढल्यानंतर अल्केनला काय म्हणणार आहे आपण. व्हॉट इज अन अल्केन कॉल्ड व्हेन वन हायड्रोजन इज रिमूव्ड. आता नीट बघा. आता समजा हा अल्केन आहे. जनरल फॉर्म्युला सांगा अल्केनचा.
CnH2n+2.
CnH2n+2. ओके, आता यातनं आपण काय करतो, एक हायड्रोजन काढतो, बरोबर. When one hydrogen is removed from alkane, then the group is called as alkyl group. त्याला आपण म्हणतो alkyl group. Alkyl group आपण कसा derive करतो? By removing one hydrogen from alkane. What will be the formula of alkyl group? It is CnH2n plus. आता या 2 च्या जागी काय येणार आहे? 1. Because we have removed one hydrogen and this is also called as R group. याला दुसरं आपण नाव काय देतो? R group. Now we are going to prepare one series of alkyl groups also when we derive them by removing one hydrogen. Simple, it's very simple. See, आता मी फर्स्ट अल्केन लिहिणार आहे इथे. फर्स्ट अल्केन कुठला आहे सांगा मला?
Methane.
Methane. Methane. What is the formula for methane?
CH4.
H4.
CH4.
CH4.
Okay. So methane is CH4. Okay. You remove one hydrogen from this, what will you get?
CH3.
CH3.
बरोबर? CH3. This CH3 is called as alkyl. म्हणजे ह्याचं नाव काय येईल? This is methyl.
Methyl.
This group is methyl. Okay. Now, is the valency of carbon satisfied over here?
No.
No, ma'am.
No, it is not satisfied. So to CH3, what we have to attach? We have to attach the functional group. Can be any functional group. Just now I told you alcohol, aldehydes, ketones, acids, all these are functional groups. Okay, so one hydrogen is gone and it is replaced by any of the functional groups. So like this, we have series of organic compounds. It can be series of alcohols, series of aldehydes, series of ketones, series of acids, and so on. Okay, slowly you will get the points more clear. Tell me the second alkane.
Ethane.
Ethane.
What is the formula for ethane?
C2H6.
Tell me the alkyl.
C2H5.
Yes, C2H5. Can you tell me the name of this?
Ethyl.
Ethyl. Correct. Ethyl. And simply what are we going to add to this? Some functional group.
Functional group.
Yes, functional group. What is the third one?
Propane.
Propane.
Propane. Tell me the formula of propane.
C3H8.
Ma'am, C3H8.
C3H8. Tell me the R.
C3H7.
Yes, C3H7. What will be the name?
Propyl.
Propyl. Correct. And what are we going to add over here? Some
Functional
functional group. Okay. So this is the basic idea of alkyl group, which is R. In your textbooks, they have not mentioned R. They have not mentioned anything. But it's very important that you understand it in this way, so that in higher standards, when you go, the concepts will become more clear to you all. Is anybody having any doubts in this?
No, ma'am.
Functional.
Yes. Somebody was speaking something.
मॅम इथे कोणता फंक्शनल ग्रुप ऍड केला जातो?
इथे आपण ना अजून एक पण फंक्शनल ग्रुप ऍड नाही केलाय. आता आपण फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स ऍड करणार आहोत त्याला. ओके, आता आपण हॅलोजन ऍड करू, अल्कोहॉल ऍड करू, सगळे फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स ऍड करू. फक्त हा बेसिक त्याचा सेटअप आहे. आता या बेसिक सेटअपला नवीन फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स ऍड करायचे आणि नवीन कंपाऊंड आपले तयार होतील. आता सो लेट मी शो यू दॅट.
Example, methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol.
Yes, yes,
propyl
methyl alcohol, ethyl propyl, all those examples we'll see. Okay, should I erase this now, all of you?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Okay.
Miss म्हणजे which functional group we are supposed to add, it depends upon us, right?
Yes, it depends upon us. It depends upon us in the sense it depends upon the seed of the family. Suppose alcohol, we have to prepare some compound of alcohol. Then we have to add the functional group as OH. If we are supposed to prepare the family of aldehydes, then we will have to add CHO. Asa. Let me show you now. Now see, suppose I am going to prepare a series of functional groups called as halogens. Halogens. So let me prepare halogens now. So I am preparing over here a family of halogens, and you know of chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine, they belong to halogens. So here I will take the example of chlorine. Now what you will do is simply we will take first R. What is your first R?
Methyl.
Methyl. What is the formula for methyl?
CH3.
CH3.
CH3. So 2CH3 means to the molecule of CH3. Which functional group you will add? You will add Cl.
Cl.
Okay. Now,
Cl.
what is the name of this compound? What is this called?
Methyl
Methyl
Methyl chloride.
Yes, it is called as methyl chloride.
Methyl chloride.
So this is methyl chloride. Now, tell me the second one. Second R.
Ethyl.
Ethyl. What is the formula for ethyl?
C2H5.
C2H5.
Yes, it is C2H5Cl. Okay. So which is your ethyl group over here? See, this is your ethyl C2H5. So what will be the
Methyl
name
chloride.
of this?
Ethyl chloride.
Yes,
Ethyl
it will be
chloride.
ethyl chloride.
Chloride.
Ethyl
Chloride.
chloride. Okay. Now, similarly, if we want to change the halogen, suppose I want to make compounds of Br. Tell me the first compound of Br, what it will be?
Methyl bromide.
Yes, methyl bromide. What will be the formula?
CH3Br.
CH3Br.
Yes, CH3Br. This
Br.
is methyl bromide. What will be the second one?
Ethyl bromide.
CH2
5Br.
C2H5 and B.
Br.
Now in this, understand one thing. Some part is going to remain constant, right? What is that part which is remaining constant?
Functional group.
Bromide.
Bromide, that means functional group is remaining constant, as well as here
Yes.
R group is only changing. फक्त R change होतोय इथे एकदा methyl आहे, ethyl आहे, propyl आहे. That means you are just increasing the R and you are adding the same functional group in order to prepare the family. In order to prepare the family of it. Are you understanding this, all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
ma'am.
Everyone else? Others?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So now I'll show you the next functional group, that is alcohol. So be with me, all of you, and be very, very attentive. So we'll take the next functional group, that is alcohol. Write down with me in the rough notebook so that You understand it very clearly. Is everyone writing?
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So we are doing the next functional group, that is alcohol. So the functional group of alcohol is OH, and its general formula is ROH. ROH. What is R? Tell me what is R?
Alkyl.
Ma'am.
Alkyl group. Correct. R is the alkyl group. And to this alkyl group, what are we adding? We are just adding the functional group, that is OH. Fine. So can you
Alcohol.
tell me what is the first say
Ethyl
first
alcohol.
compound of alcohol series?
Methyl alcohol.
Right,
Methyl
methyl
alcohol.
alcohol. So what is your first?
CH3OH.
Yes,
CH3OH.
CH3OH,
OH.
H.
and this is
Ma'am,
your methyl
Thai alcohol.
alcohol. Methyl alcohol. Tell me the second one.
Ethyl alcohol.
What is the formula?
C2H5OH.
OH.
C2H5OH, and this is your
Ethyl alcohol.
yes, ethyl alcohol.
Alcohol.
Ethyl alcohol.
So like this you will get a family of alcohols. आता आपण ह्याच्यात काय केलंय? फक्त एक हायड्रोजन काढलाय and we have replaced the hydrogen with what?
Alcohol.
Alcohol. We have replaced it with OH. That is the compounds of alcohol. समजलं
Alcohol.
सगळ्यांना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody has any doubts, any question?
No, ma'am.
No, miss.
No.
No, only whatever I'm going to take are there in the exam. Okay? All right. So we are going to see the next functional group now. Now see, these functional group, these names which we are giving, these are all common names. After understanding the functional groups, we have to study the IUPAC nomenclature. That means it is a special naming also. All right. So that is also quite interesting. But for this, you should know the basic rules of nomenclature or naming also. So
Ma'am.
now we are studying the next functional group, that is aldehydes. Aldehydes. And the functional group of aldehydes is CHO.
R.
CHO. Or we can also write it as R.
R.
Understand this very carefully. R. C. Carbon is bonded with oxygen by a double bond like this. So O. And here there is a H. Okay. So this is CHO. This is CHO. I'm repeating again. CHO can be written as C double bonded to oxygen and single bonded with hydrogen. And the remaining valency of carbon is satisfied by the R group. Are you understanding this part?
Miss.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
Yes or no? नाही कळत आहे. ठीक आहे. Now see,
Miss, परत एकदा
aldehyde
सांगा.
आपण कसं लिहितोय? How are we writing aldehyde? We are writing aldehyde as CHO. We are writing aldehyde as CHO. Oh, but do we know how they are bonded to each other? We should know how they are bonded to each other. See, how they are bonded to each other. Carbon is bonded with oxygen by a double bond in the structure of aldehydes. Similarly, carbon is also bonded with hydrogen. Now, can you tell me why oxygen and why there is a double bond between carbon and oxygen? This we have done already. चला बोला पटपट. Why there is a double bond between carbon and oxygen?
Ma'am, to satisfy oxygen's
Yes, to satisfy oxygen's
Octet.
octet.
yes, octet state, right? Now, if I show you here, there are 6 electrons in oxygen, right? And it requires how many more electrons?
Two.
Two electrons. So it is going to share. See, these blue colored ones are the electrons of carbon, right? So it will share with the carbon. This is one more electron of carbon which it is sharing with hydrogen, right? And this is one electron of hydrogen. Borobar? So hydrogen's duplet is completed. But is carbon's valency satisfied in this case? Tell me.
No, ma'am.
No.
Is it satisfied?
No.
Others also. Bhagyesh is only answering. Bakiche काय?
One is remaining.
No. See, because carbon's valency अजून एक इलेक्ट्रॉन राहिला ना कार्बनचा हा काय हा एक इलेक्ट्रॉन. Just let me show it to you. हा एक इलेक्ट्रॉन कार्बनचा राहिलाय, राईट? आणि तो इलेक्ट्रॉन कार्बन कशा बरोबर शेअर करणार आहे? इट इज गोइंग टू शेअर इट विथ द आर. समजतंय का आता?
Yes.
It is going to share it with the R.
Yes, miss.
That is why R is bonded to this carbon. All right. This is the basic of it. You want me to repeat it again?
No, ma'am.
No.
Clear.
Okay, clear. Fine. Now see. Now.
मॅम
Yes.
मॅम अल्डिहाइड अल्किन नाही होत का, कारण की तिकडे डबल बॉन्ड पण आहे आणि कार्बन पण
हा, आता अल्कीन मध्ये डबल बॉन्ड कशामध्ये असतो सांगा बरं मला.
दोन कार्बन.
दोन कार्बनच्या मध्ये. इकडे डबल बॉन्ड कशामध्ये आहे?
ऑक्सिजन आणि कार्बन.
ऑक्सिजन आणि कार्बन. मग हा अल्कीन होईल का बरं?
नाही ma'am.
नाही होणार हा. हा अल्कीन होणार नाही. बरोबर? आता बघा. Now this R, this instead of writing this R directly, what is your first R? It is methyl. बरोबर? Now
Methyl.
carbon's valency can also be satisfied by hydrogen. Carbon's valency can also be satisfied by hydrogen. So your first aldehyde will be H.
Methanol.
H. बाकी सगळं सेम. इथे R च्या जागी मी काय टाकतेय? H. HC. हा तसाच राहील बॉन्ड. डबल बॉन्ड O. आणि इकडे काय राहणार आहे? H. HCHO. You can write it as HCHO. And this is your first aldehyde. The name of this first aldehyde is formaldehyde. It is a common name. Once again, I'm telling you, it is not an IUPAC name. It is a common name. This is formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. समजलं का मी आता काय काढलं ते? काय केलं मी आता? R च्या ऐवजी टाकला मी H.
H ऍड
च्या
केला.
जागी काय टाकला? H.
H.
आता माझं सेकंड कंपाऊंड काय असेल सांगा बरं. व्हॉट विल बी माय नेक्स्ट कंपाऊंड? येस, व्हॉट विल बी माय नेक्स्ट कंपाऊंड?
मॅम इथाइल अल्डिहाइड.
नाही, आता मी मिथाईल टाकणार बिकॉज
मिथाईल,
फर्स्ट
मिथाईल.
आर कुठला आहे? मिथाईल आहे. सो व्हॉट विल बी माय सेकंड कंपाऊंड? इट इज, आता मी इथे आरच्या जागी मी काय टाकतेय? CH3 टाकते. ओके, CH3. बाकीचं सगळं सेम राहणार आहे. C डबल बॉन्ड O अँड H. समजतंय का सगळ्यांना?
येस मॅम.
एवढा थंड रिस्पॉन्स काय? व्हेरी कूल. अटेंड करताय, नाही करताय? आय एम नॉट अंडरस्टँडिंग.
नाही कळत, परत एकदा सांगा.
कळतंय.
ओके, आता मला सेकंड सांगा बरं. व्हॉट विल बी द सेकंड? द नेम ऑफ दिस कंपाऊंड इज acetaldehyde. The name of this compound is acetaldehyde. Don't bother about the names. We are not concerned with the names because these are not IUPAC names. They are common names. Okay, so these compounds are aldehyde compound. ते परत एकदा for those who are not getting. See, aldehydes मध्ये functional group असतो CHO. कुठला functional group असतो? Repeat after me, please, all of you. What is the functional group?
CHO.
CHO.
CHO. How is carbon bonded with oxygen? See, here I am writing it again for you. How is carbon bonded with oxygen?
डबल बॉन्ड.
डबल
Double
बॉन्ड.
bond. क्षमिता आणि अजून कोणाला समजत नाहीये? माझ्या मागे रिपीट करायचंय सगळ्यांनी. I'll show here once again. This is carbon. Carbon is double bonded to oxygen, single bonded with hydrogen. And what is this? This is the functional group called as aldehyde.
अल्डिहाइड.
Aldehyde. याच्यामध्ये कार्बनची व्हॅलन्सी सॅटिस्फाय होते का?
नाही मॅम.
नाही. So what are we supposed to add over here?
Hydrogen.
R. We are supposed to add R. But directly instead of starting with R, carbon's valency is also satisfied by what? By adding hydrogen. म्हणजे डायरेक्टली कार्बनची चेन ऍड करण्याच्या आधी ते हायड्रोजन पण येऊ शकतो ना, बरोबर? सो व्हॉट विल बी माय फर्स्ट aldehyde? It will be H. Instead of R, I have added H. बाकी सगळं सेम. C
HCOH.
bond O and H. Right? So this is my
CH2.
first aldehyde. आता माझी R सिरीज सुरू होईल, बरोबर? आता सांगा मला पुढचा R कुठला आहे? CH3. What is CH3 called? What is CH3 called?
मिथाईल.
Methyl or ethyl?
अल्डिहाइड.
Methyl. So CH3. बाकीचं सगळं सेम राहणार. C डबल बॉन्ड O and H. हा झाला सेकंड कंपाऊंड. थर्ड सांगा चला पटकन.
C2H5.
Yes.
Double bond O
H
आणि
by
अल्डिहाइड.
C डबल बॉन्ड H. हा झाला पुढचा कंपाऊंड. सिंपल. नाउ टेल मी व्हॉट इज फिक्स्ड ओव्हर हियर?
फंक्शनल ग्रुप.
Yes, functional group is what are we changing?
CH.
What are we
मॅम
changing?
R.
Yes, we are changing the R. And before adding R also, here we can substitute R by hydrogen also because carbon's valency is satisfied by adding just one hydrogen. Right?
टेट्राव्हॅलेंट.
मॅम ते इथाईलचं नाव काय फॉर्म नाव?
ऍक्च्युली त्याचं नाव वेगळं असणार आहे कारण तो इथाईल परत स्प्लिट होणार आहे. इथाईल परत स्प्लिट होणार आहे. सो डोंट बॉदर अबाउट इट्स नेम कारण तो CH3CH2. आय एम नॉट गोइंग टू कन्फ्यूज यू ऑल. एवढंच फक्त तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवा बस. समजलं का सगळ्यांना?
येस.
मिस तुम्ही इथे जसं एच ऍड केला फर्स्ट त्याच्यामध्ये तिथं तसं हॅलोजन आणि ब्रोमिन आणि अल्कोहोल मध्ये पण ऍड करायचं का?
नाही तसा ऍड नाही होणार. तू डायग्राम तू ड्रॉ करून बघ गार्गी. आपण मी तुम्हाला ड्रॉ करून दाखवते म्हणजे तुमच्या लक्षात येईल की तिकडे H कार्बनची व्हॅलन्सी सॅटिस्फायच होणार नाहीये ना.
सो जस्ट टू सॅटिस्फाय द कार्बन व्हॅलेन्सी इकडे एच काढलाय का म्हणजे?
हा इकडे H नी व्हॅलन्सी सॅटिस्फाय होतीये ना कारण इकडे डबल बॉन्ड आहे. बाकीच्या ठिकाणी कुठेच डबल बॉन्ड्स नाहीयेत ना. ओके
हा ठीक आहे मॅम समजलं.
ठीक आहे. हा आता लेस देन 1 minute is left actually. So I will not explain you the next part. पण तुम्ही काय करायचंय इथपर्यंत जेवढं आपण केलंय ना तेवढं तुम्ही प्लीज टेक्स्टबुक मधनं वाचा. माझ्या नोट्स होतील उद्यापर्यंत. सो मी तुम्हाला नोट्स पण सेंड करते क्लिअर. तुम्हाला नाही कळलं तर यू कॅन सी द व्हिडिओ अगेन. मी रेकॉर्डिंग पण तुम्हाला पाठवते लगेच थोड्या वेळातच. टुमॉरो वी विल नॉट हॅव अ सेशन बिकॉज टुमॉरो यू हॅव युअर इंग्लिश लेक्चर शेड्यूल. ठीक आहे. So परवा Wednesday we will meet and we'll be doing the next functional groups on Wednesday.
What will we have Miss tomorrow?
Tomorrow you have those Hindi lectures, na? Tomorrow is Tuesday.
Okay, Miss.
So you have those lectures scheduled. So generally I don't keep it on Tuesdays because others also have the lectures. Okay. So
Yeah, ma'am.
ठीक है. Anything